Including the theme park as well, people, yeah. Look at that. Wow. Mad thing, amazing. Ringo Vision, and you understand the team and you understand the whole of there, people, yeah. Just feel the vibes, feel the vibes. You understand? Our good vibes. Look at the lights, some lights everywhere. You understand? Yeah, man. So I'm just showing you. We're here in the night times too, so I could imagine what a daytime vibes would be like here at the Land of Legends, people. Yeah, it's got a lot of it's like a big theme park shopping center as well, people. Yeah. You understand? Our good vibes, man. Big up yourself, people. Yeah. One love to each and every one of you that's on the journey. You don't know the thing go already. Yes, people, so we're there outside the Land of Legends. And Chef Ricardo, what do you think of the place so far?
Everything connect.
Connect?
Active.
Yeah, man, everything connect, people. Yeah, so we're there now and play. We just have to take a moment. Chef Ricardo, I wonder if we are going to be able to walk out to all of the place, yes, sir?
The place is massive, brother.
The place. People, I'm outside Chef Ricardo and the Land of Legends, you understand? So let's go inside now. Can go on a local boat ride on here, so same way too. Spin on the camera. A good vibe. Land of Legends, people, yeah. You understand? That is it. We're there, so right now. Yeah, let's walk around, man, and see where I go on the place. You understand? The place looks big, it's massive. So look, they've got like a little boat ride right here, you know. Boss man, how does this work? Okay. Yes, they got ticket point over there if you want to go on this boat, right? Yes, you know, people, yeah. So, yeah, man, a good vibes. It's Valentine's Day here as well in Turkey, people, yeah. So big up yourself. We just have to take a walk around. You understand? Good vibes. Yes, people, so we're there outside the Land of Legends. And Chef Ricardo, what do you think of the place so far?
Everything connect.
Connect?
Active.
Yeah, man, everything connect, people, yeah. So we're there now and play. We just have to take a look at stroll, walk around, you understand? Yeah, man, our good vibes. Massive. Everything is just grand, you understand? Our good vibes. Yeah, man. So, I'm just showing you, we're here in the night times too, so I could imagine what a daytime vibes would be like here at the Land of Legends, people, yeah. It's got a lot of it's like a big theme park shopping center as well, people, yeah. You understand? Our good vibes, man. Big up yourself, people, yeah. One love to each and every one of you that's on the journey. You don't know the thing go already. You understand? Our good vibes. Look at the lights, some lights everywhere, you understand? That is. You want to drink a coffee, Chef Ricardo?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, our good vibes that. So right over there is where the Land of Legend theme park is, people, yeah, but the theme park's actually closed right now. But yeah, man, we're there, as I said, I'm still taking you guys through, having a little walking tour, you understand? Look, cats out here running up and down, but yeah, man, it's grand, it's pretty, and the lights are absolutely amazing out here, people, yeah. So yeah, man, one love to each and every one of you. Let's go, we're on a mission. I'm just gonna walk out this place and let's see what Land of Legends got to offer. So there's like a canal, like a river running through it, people, yeah. where you can take boat rides, all that kind of stuff. And I could imagine inside of the theme park itself is lit. It's lit. You understand? But yeah, man, look, all of these people, yeah, man, are good vibes. Are good vibes. Are good vibes. Yeah, man. This is like a big shopping outlet as well as like it's got loads of attractions and things to do. It's like a big shopping outlet, so there's loads of shops, restaurants, including the theme park as well, people, yeah. Look at that. Wow, mad thing, amazing. Ringo Vision, and you understand the team and you understand the whole of there, people, yeah. Just feel the vibes, feel the vibes. Yes, people, so good vibes, you know. So yeah, man, just walking through said way. Yeah, that is it, man. I'm just walking through the place. See, where it's like it's more about shopping here than anything else, and also the theme park. You understand? So here in the night time, wow, look, the theme park's not open at the moment, but yeah, man, have good vibes. You can still walk around this big old land of legends, and there's so much things to do here. Look at this. The signs that tell you where's what and what's what. You understand? There's some music in the background, so it's copyright. So you have to be very careful with recording as well, people, yeah? Because of the music playing in the background. But big up yourself, we're there, man. So if I don't do much talking, it's because of the loud music playing in the background. I'm just gonna be showing you guys around. So just enjoy the little tour that I'm touring everybody around, you understand? A good vibes. Look, people, yeah, look, we can go on a boat ride as well here at the Land of Legends, you understand? Yeah, man. Oh, look at this, man. Look at vibes, man. Vibes. Fan vibes, man. That is it. There. You understand? But we say with the right people in the art tight, you know. Yeah, man, Land of Legends, people, yeah. That is it. Hey, listen, a vibes. They send one candy store, people. Big up yourself. A good vibes, you understand? Land of Legends, people, yeah. Beer vibes are going night place. That is it. Chef Ricardo, all your vibes in here?
Everything looking good.
Yeah?
Can't complain.
Can't complain, people. Yeah, we are the Land of Legends right now. This is a candy store. So if you got a sweet tooth, you don't know what I want, people, yeah, just come in here, so, understand, and charge up and so on, sweetie, you understand? We got every type of sweetie here, so. Land of Legends, you understand? We're there. So I hope you guys are enjoying this vlog, you know. Put it in the comment section, let me know what you think. You understand? That is it, a good vibe. Big up yourself.